Hi everyone, hope you're doing awesome. Today we are going to do a hair video and I'm going to be showing you a product that is like a blowout and beachy waves in one tool. And I've been playing around with this and I think I like it a lot. This is, and it comes in this box right here. Okay, so here we go, cool box, right? This is the Conair Infiniti Pro Spin Airbrush Styler, and thank you so much to Conair, who has partnered with me for this video. Super important for me to always bring you content that is 100% honest and truthful. This tool has got two different brush heads. This is a 2-inch brush, round brush right here, and then this attachment is a 1.5 inch. This one really gives like a little bit more volume and lift and just kind of like that kind of blown out look, right? And then this 1.5 inch one is the one that I use to give more of a wave and a curl. How this thing works is, this is the styler right here. So there is a switch right here that puts out the heat, and then you attach a brush head to it, whether you want to use the 2-inch or, which is this one, or the 1.5 inch. And then you turn it on, and then I gotta speak loudly now. And then it has a spinning function. You see that there? That's cool, right? Let's go ahead and get started with the demo. Okay friends, we're ready to demo the Conair Spin Air brush. My hair is about 80% dry. I've got it half up on my head, half down. I like to work in 3 sections, so I do a bottom section, middle section, and top section to do the detail work. My hair has some styling product in it already, so I'm using the 1.5 inch brush because I want to curl. You always want to hold the brush with the spin buttons right on the outside so you know exactly which way the brush is spinning. So if you push this button, the brush is going to spin that way. If you push it this way, the brush is going to spin this way. So that makes a big difference when you start curling your hair, because if you hold your hair like this and then spin it that way, it's going to become a tangled mess. It's not going to like destroy your hair though, so just FYI, I've never like lost some hair trying this out. I'm going to go ahead and turn the tool on right here. And then I'm gonna have to talk pretty loud over this. So I'm gonna take this first section, I'm gonna place the brush down here at the bottom, and then I'm pushing this brush that makes the brush spin that way. And then I gently start spinning the brush to wrap the hair around the brush in the dryer. And then I'm gonna let this sit here for about 30 seconds to really get this hair dry and set with a curl. And I like that this does both. It dries and curls the hair. And there we go. Let's look at that right there, see? So look at that, you got a nice little curl. I'm gonna do the next section so you can see it again. So I'm gonna pull my hair in that section, and then make sure the buttons are facing outward and push this button that makes the brush spin that way. And then kind of just spin it very carefully, not just like push it down and so, because that's gonna be a little too intense. So I just kind of push, 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 if that makes sense. And there we go, we've got another pretty little curl going on. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the footage. I'm gonna start curling the rest of my hair. I'll make stops here and there to explain certain things, but I don't want this to be like a super, super, super long video. Let's see what happens. So let's do this. now we have that second layer of hair done. I absolutely love how bouncy and wavy it is, and I don't even have to get, like I said, a curling iron out after this. So I'm going to spray this layer. Finally, I'm pulling up the top layer of just a little bit of hair that's left, and then I'm going to once I have it all dry, I'll probably go around and just like do some touch-ups of curls that I want to like really define. So I'm going to part my hair where I want it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start using the tool. And I'm going to probably do much smaller sections here, just because I really want that definition at this top layer. Okay, and there we go. We've got the top layer finished. Isn't this awesome? You get like a beach wave look. I'm gonna go ahead and spray. What I'm gonna do is just put some volumizing powder in my hair. You could also do some dry shampoo or something. And then I'm gonna massage that in the root to kind of give myself a little bit more lift. I'm the kind of person that likes to spray my hair to make sure that the curl holds, and then to kind of mess it up a little bit, I'm going to use some texture spray through the ends and just kind of mess with it and get it, get it looking more beachy. Not that it isn't beachy, because it is totally beachy right now. Alright guys, there's my beachy blowout using only one tool. Super awesome, right? I hope that you found this video helpful, and I know you're going to want one of these in your life if you want to do this, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!